Well, look at that. The two of them are on the top tower. Look at that. Look at that. I expect some of them to get into a fight right now. Look at that. Look at that. Eli and Eddie. Oh my. The fur's gonna fly. The fur is gonna fly. Yes, it is. The light could be better in here, I guess. I can't believe somebody's gonna fall. Somebody's gonna fall. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, boy. Somebody's gonna get hurt. I'm just worried about somebody falling. Oh, my God. Somebody's gonna fall. You boys okay? You both still up there? Oh, brother. Oh, brother. Somebody's gonna get hurt. Somebody's gonna get hurt. Oh, brother. I'm just worried that somebody's gonna get hurt. There we go.